Hi, I'm Rob, currently doing accessibility testing at Ten10. Mainly, I talk over Google Chat. I've met a buddy in the office before as well, if they're up in Leeds, but some are based in other parts of the country. And mainly I help with things like things after the academy. So how the process of working with clients and getting onto a client site, how that would go, so things like that. Recently, me and one of my buddies was working on the ISTQB exam, and so instead of just revising on our own, we decided to revise together, and that actually meant that we both ended up passing it first time, and that was pretty good. I think having someone there to keep me motivated was really helpful because I'm not very good at revising on my own. I think being a mentor, it's sort of mutually beneficial for both me and the person that I'm teaching, because there's stuff obviously that I don't know that they do, and so there's sort of a bit of a back and forth there. So I joined 1010 when I was about 19, so it was very early in my career, and so I just felt like it was a good opportunity for networking and meeting people. So after finishing the academy, there was a lot of client opportunities offered to me, and looking on the buddy sheet, people actually listed what clients they'd been working with, and so through that I was actually able to research what companies I might be going to and even the areas, such as down in London or Poole or things like that. And I think that was just really helpful. And for me personally, I've been mainly internal at 1010, so I felt like I offered more of a unique perspective on that, as most people end up going externally. I think early in somebody's career, it's really important to have that, because most people won't really know much about the technology or the industry, and so having somebody there to help them with certain things, they can just ask questions when they need, is really useful. And I think as well, for networking purposes, they get to meet a lot more people and expand their reach there.